What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? We are here. We are live. It's happening. The NASDAQ today. What a move. What a move. What a move. What a move, people. Are you guys seeing this today? The NASDAQ going higher, higher, higher. Like a jet plane, rocket ship to the moon. 15-minute chart right now. We broke out to the upside there earlier, all the way up there to the 20,200 level. We got power hour coming up. It's time. The power is in this hour. You know what I mean? You know, you think about it. It's like power hour, power hour, power out, kind of like that, you know, a little power and then some hours. Power hour, and I don't know, man. I'm just here to make some money. All right, here we go. Now we've all agreed on one thing. I'm here to make some money. Let's go. Right now, looking here at the NASDAQ, what can we do? What can we do? Where's it gonna go? Let's figure it out. Let's make a plan here. Right now, NASDAQ stuck there below this pivot point. We do have a bit of a bear flag right here on the smaller time frame. Smaller time frame, bear flag right now playing out here below this pivot point. Be looking for possibly a move down there below that 20,110 area from earlier if we get this completion. I do not have a trade open right now, by the way. Just kind of getting on here for the first time since I walked away this morning. We're still in the green. And yeah, sitting pretty. We're back, baby. Red day yesterday, back in the green today. Tomorrow's Friday. Let's get paid. Fresh Cash Friday coming up. Right now, NASDAQ is kind of chopping around here. If you look at the ES, right now, the ES is kind of like holding up here. It's the only thing I don't like about this bear flag set up on the NASDAQ. So the ES is kind of holding up right there. The ES has really, I feel like, been the big kind of driver today. ES making all-time highs and just kind of hanging out right now at the all-time highs. So I'm not overly, you know, I'm not like gonna go crazy with the idea of trying to get short right here, right now. No rush to do anything. Wait for something to see what happens. If we look at the bigger time frame, 15-minute chart, well, you can see on the 15-minute chart, we did kind of break down this channel right now. We got real tight up there at the top and broke to the downside, but that pivot point right now acting as support there. We had that last little wick on that 15-minute candle pretty much closing back up here. So I would say if we get back above the 160s here, end of day, maybe we get this push up through that 20,200 level. We'll see what happens. No profit showing. Yes, no profits here. We're only here to have fun. No profit showing allowed. Right now on the day, you can see there in the green, in the green, in the green, in the green. So waiting for the next opportunity. Waiting for the next opportunity. No trades open right now. It's not even a power hour yet. Don't get too excited. No rush. You know? Oh my God. We got some water. All right, this music, it's just not enough power for this hour, boys. We got to get something else. Luxury deep house. I'm still very, 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 very upset with myself, to be honest. You know, I probably wouldn't have held this whole move, but the fact that I had that long last night off of the 19,840s right before going to bed, that was painful. You can see last night trading this, I actually got fucking stopped out. I got long there at the 46s and then got stopped out at 48. But that would have been what? The 400 points to the upside there. YOLO. YOLO. You only live once. YOLO. It's painful. That's painful. Right now, NASDAQ just holding up here. Right below that. Right below that 21 EMA. Or getting back. Trying to get back above it right here. So possibly starting to break back to the upside here. End of day. Let's see. NASDAQ right now. That 15-minute candle. I want to see it get above that 160 area. If I'm looking for the longs there, above the 160s, basically, would be what I'd like to see. We're right there at that pivot point for now. They're at the 140s. It is bear flagging here on the smaller time frames, but kind of looking at those bigger time frames here, we've obviously been very bullish all day. Will we get the power hour pullback? Power hour pullback. This guy treats trading like gambling, and many people fall for this shit, unfortunately. Fuck yeah, Francisco. I'm just here to gamble, baby. I think Francisco's upset. And he sells a course. Wow, you guys are all coming out. Come on. Bring it on, baby. Daddy's gonna sell 200,000 courses and make $50 million and then say, who's the idiot now? You don't believe in a life after? Yeah, I'm worried that Jesus is not going to accept me into heaven because I sold a course on the internet. Jesus, please allow me to go into heaven. I sold a course on the internet. I apologize. It wasn't that bad. It's not against the 10 Commandments. Francisco, you're a profitable trader watching my live stream. Yes, always. God. Dude, if I was profitable, I would not be here, that's for sure. In the 10 Commandments, thou shalt not teach anyone else. The funniest part is people pay hundreds of thousands of dollars to go to college to learn how to get a job, to then what? To make money? I'm over here like, hey, there's a $200 course, like no promises, right? No promises, but I mean, I don't know. I think the ROI is pretty good. If he's a gambler, then he must be the luckiest man alive. You know that. I am definitely the luckiest man alive. You should see my girlfriend. She is a smoke show. Look at her. Oh, God. She's naked running up the stairs right now. What I just saw, most of you guys in the chat will never, ever see a woman naked. I got the jokes. I got the jokes. I got the jokes, baby. Right now, NASDAQ is holding up here at the pivot point. A real woman naked, no. What do we got? 8:44 here in Hawaii, so 2:44 there on the East Coast. What's going on the East Coast? What's going on the East Coast? Stop sniffing coke. Yes. Anybody got any coke? Anybody? Anybody? Come on, I need some quick. Ah! What do they want? He's a gambler. He rents his Lambos. He does cocaine. He rents his house. Yeah, it's, what do you got? Wow. Literally, wow. You got me. Everything's rented and I do cocaine all day. Oh my God, what a terrible life I'm living. Terrible life. And I'm going to hell. God damn it. Gotta stop going to hell. Show my P&L. Okay. No problem. Here you go. There's my P&L for the day right now. I'm trying to get these top step accounts built up so I can get on top of the leaderboard, all right? Right now, we're up over like $35,000 in a 4-day period. Had a little red day yesterday. We bounced back today. And we're just kind of cruising right now. No problem. Easy peasy mac and cheese. You get that payout, $15,000 payout tomorrow, hopefully. Cross my fingers. And then, yeah, we'll live happily ever after. Just kind of watching to see right here, getting very tight, this price action. The bears, the bulls battling here, end of day. We've had a massive move up. Right now, the market up 2.8%. This is pretty much the top of the average daily range up here. So that, I believe today where'd it go? I had to pull it up for a second. Yeah, the average daily range is 250 points during market hours. We've already done that, basically 94% of that. So we'll see what happens. Why do people hate on you so much? Because, like we've always said, right? They wouldn't hate on me if they didn't love me. You know, hate is just another form of love. They hate me because they ain't me. Trust me, every league, I guarantee you, 1,000, I would literally bet on this. Guaranteed that 99% of the people that hate on me and talk shit, they would literally trade their lives for my life any day of the week. So they can hate on me all they want, but we all know what they strive for, what their goals are. To be able to rent a Lambo just like me, motherfuckers. Yeah! You can't handle the rental fees. Francisco, I guarantee you would love to have, I'm not gonna say it, but yeah, you ain't got what I got, buddy. Nobody wants your life. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. You love my life. That's why you're here watching. Cheers to you, big boy. Everybody wants my life. I'm living the dream. It's 8:45 in the morning here in Hawaii. Yes. Drinking water out of a cup. Danny Traders hates on you. I get it. They all hate on me. I would hate me too, when you think about it. If I was somebody else out there in the world, I'd be like, this fucking Patrick guy, I hate that motherfucker. I'd hate me. If I could, you know, I'd hate me too. That's just a normal reaction for people. NASDAQ breaking to the downside. Couldn't get up there above the highs, but is this going to be the trappy trap? We bounced off this level there earlier. Got the ES bouncing off the pivot points. NASDAQ breaking the downside here off of that pivot point. Holding up at that what was that, 120 area again. Looking a little trappy. Going into the 250 algorithm. Straight down here. Woo! Still just bouncing around down here. I'm like trying to figure out if this is going to be a trap or not. Are we trapping? Are we going to trap? It just looks trappy to me, man. Definitely losing support here. See what happens here at 3 o'clock. We got 6 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. Bang, bang, bang. Who's in the chat? Who's in the chat? What we got? Francisco still here. Great to see you still hanging out. Your risk management sucks. I don't hate you, just the way you're misleading people. I really don't think I mislead anyone, to be honest. I literally sit here and say that I'm an idiot on the internet and I don't have any clue what I'm doing, but people keep watching, so I don't know. I guess I'm misleading them. Hey, everybody, I don't make any money trading and I'm an idiot, and please don't watch. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, is everybody still here? Is everybody still here? Coach Dakota, is that the real Coach Dakota? Good money management in the XFAs. Great work. Just trying to stay alive, baby. Trying to get the top of that tippity top of the leaderboard. Patrick, do you want kids later in your life? I've got a 12-year-old already, so somebody. Warren said, I've made a lot of money from watching you. Love to hear it. Leaderboard is 350,000. Okay. You don't think I can make 350,000? We'll see, I guess. The challenge is on. Don't need to talk about it. Don't need to be like ICT sitting on fucking Twitter all day talking about getting on the leaderboard. I'm just going to get on the leaderboard. You know, I'm just going to trade. I'm just going to actually trade and do it. That's what I'm going to do. You know, I'm just going to trade and actually fucking do it. Now I feel like Coach Dakota. I can't tell if that's the real Coach Dakota or not. I'm confused. How will we find out if he's the real one? How are we ever gonna know? Oh God. NASDAQ just chopping around right here. This is like why I'm just like, I don't know, man. I don't know about this move. Patrick, ICT executed 3 consecutive winning trades over 3 days. Live in front of us. Proved his expertise to everyone. Like I said, all he has to do is get on the Robbins, get on the cup. You know, hey, that's all he has to do, and it shuts everybody up. So, you know, I mean, hey. You know, he literally on Twitter He was posting about how he was going to get on the ICT posted that he wants to race to the top of the Top Step leaderboard. That was on the 17th. So right now, NASDAQ, like I said, this thing is looking trappy. Everybody was so bearish. I'm like, I don't know about the bears. I don't know about them bears right now, boys. Open up an order chart, Big Boro. How much do firms pay you a month? 400, 500,000? Way low. That's too low. Way higher than that. Way higher. Way higher. All right. You're undervalued me. I don't know, guys. It's looking kind of trappy. It's looking kind of trappy. Thanks, Coach Dakota. $4.20. They could almost buy my coffee this morning. Close. Fucking coffee, you're getting expensive. What's up with coffee being so damn $8 for a coffee? Sideways until the end of the day. I hope not. Let's you know, I don't know about, let's not go sideways till the end of the day. Come on. Daniel Watson, thanks for the free streams. Fuck the haters. Amen, brother. I'm gonna get that tattooed on my forehead. Just fuck the haters. Yeah. 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 NASDAQ chopping here at the pivot point for now. Up, down, all around. Trappy McChapperson. It's forming once again. Oh, broke to the downside. Got the VWAP down there, 20,039 sitting down there for now. It is now power hour officially, 3 o'clock, 3:03. We're a little late for the announcement, but we're here, we're doing it. 15-minute chart. Look at that last 15-minute candle. Literally almost closed all the way at the highs of that last 15-minute candle. Francisco, suck my dick, you weirdo. Get out of the chat. Sitting here telling me what to do. Guy comes here and tells everyone I'm the worst trader in the world, and he sits in the chat and tells me what to do. God. Go fuck yourself. Fucking loser. You fucking loser. NASDAQ still holding on here. That pivot point there at the 43s. I'm not in a position right now. Waiting for something to break out here. Just don't like this setup right here. We're just in the middle of this like kind of tightening little wedgy thingy majiggy. I don't even know what you want to call it, but we're just sitting there right below the pivot point for now. So it's power hour. We're waiting for the right opportunity, baby. You want to make money in this market, you gotta be patient. Henry Kenny coming through with the $5. You guys can always throw some money at me. I'll take my clothes off. Or if you throw enough money, I'll leave them on. Markets don't move off of pivot points, Patrick. They move based on time and liquidity. True that, brother. True that. They never, ever touch pivot points and make moves. Never happens. Never. Nope. Nope. Definitely not. No, it didn't bounce there earlier. No, it didn't get stuck there earlier. Never. Definitely no. Got stuck there again. Oh no, definitely no. It's a scam. These pivot points are definitely a scam, everybody. Whatever. Oh God. Oh no. Not again. Oh, it just keeps touching it. Oh God. Oh no. We gotta stop. Oh no, it's a scam. We gotta stop using these pivot points, people. We have got to stop using pivot points. Oh no. Oh no. Oh God, it's such a scam. Oh God. So why don't you trade off of it? Well, right now we're stuck below it and we're going sideways. I think people like don't understand how trading works. I don't think people understand it. Like, I can't just fucking put a trade on just because I think the market's gonna go up. You know, it's just not that simple. If I just, hey everybody, the market's gonna go higher, let's get long. Like, it's just not that simple, is it? That's just, it's not that. I wish it was. I'd be a lot richer because then I could just sit here and just be like, it's gonna go up. Everybody get in long, get ready, here it goes. A little bit more to it. Are you bullish for the rest of the session? No, not really. I'm not really bullish or bearish. I'm just, this is not a setup that I want to take right now. I don't care if the market goes up or if it goes down. I think people, they don't understand that. We are simply here to wait for the right action, and then we're going to jump in on a move. And that's what we're going to do. How do you identify the pivot points? By the course. It's free. $1.99. You learn about the pivot points. $1.99. Make you holla. NASDAQ just kind of holding up here at the 130 area for now. If we get up here above this 160s, try to get that end of day push. Well, and if we can't hold here, well, then we got the VWAP down there. So we'll see if we get an actual move either way. Any surf on the North Shore? Not today. Very small. Very small today. Where's my phone at? My phone. That's very annoying. Bro, come on. Hold it. What? You can't call it? FaceTime. Try to FaceTime it. Fuck! No! Why would I have it? That's on my computer. NASDAQ going nowhere. What's your profits for the day? $1 million. Only made $1 million today. Tomorrow, maybe we make $2 million. NASDAQ just kind of, I don't know. Are we going to fall off a cliff here is the question. Patrick, did you place any trades this morning? Yes. Did you place any trades this morning? Did you place any trades? I placed trades. We did it live on YouTube. Patrick, what is your honest opinion about Lux Algo? I think they're the #1 indicator company in the world. Would be my opinion about Lux Algo. Hi, I'm new here. What is your main trading strategy? We trade momentum, we trade breakouts, we trade breakdowns, we trade the trend. I found that to be one of the best trading strategies that exist. Just riding momentum in the market. If the market wants to go up, let it go up. If it wants to go down, let it go down. Ty Twigs, your indicators are not the answer. What makes the market move is already built into the chart. All right. Great to know. Thank you for your expertise. What are you trying to do? You're trying to convince me to no longer use pivot points? Is that what your goal is? You're going to convince me. Okay, guys, I'll no longer use the pivot points. Some guy in the chat told me that I'm wasting my time. Right now, the NASDAQ moving down here through that 20,120. Thank you, Twigs. Thank you so fucking much for helping me finally learn how to day trade. Oh, when somebody with fucking some random name sits in the chat and literally goes, the market's doing what guys, I said earlier the market was going to go down, and now it's going down. Did you not see it? Did you not see it? Patrick, I said earlier it was going to go down. Why did you not go short? Why, Patrick? Like, shut the fuck up. We don't care. Like, dude. Literally. Just go fucking start your own YouTube channel then. God motherfucking damn it. You're so successful, but here you are on my live stream telling me what to do, telling me that I shouldn't use pivot points. Dude. Insanity. Like, I get it. I'm the worst trader in the world and you're the best trader. I know. You know, I know you're right. I know it. Oh, God. Why did I ever even try to become a YouTuber? I should have just stayed home. I shouldn't have even woke up this morning. And just quit. I'm going to just quit life because somebody in the chat told me to get short earlier and it went down. Oh, my. Why did I not listen to this person? Oh, God. I should have went all in. Oh, God. Shorts are definitely paying. Yes, everybody's rich off the shorts. The shorts were so easy. Look at the shorts. Why did I not just short right here? 20,000. I should have, guys, I fucked up. I should have put a short on right there. 20,203. Why did I not? Well, I got to go back in time. I got to go back. Oh. Should have listened to everybody in the chat. Oh, God. Oh, it's still going down. Why did I not short? I mean, it definitely doesn't look very fucking good for the Bulls right now. I'm not going to sit here and tell you to fucking, oh my God, it's amazing. It's definitely not looking too hot for the Bulls. But I don't know. Do I go short right here and then it squeezes back up? All I know is I'm in the green right now, and the last thing I want to do is fuck around and find out. So just being patient right now. Patrick, what is your average stop? I don't have an average stop. Every trade's a little different. There is no average stop. You just gotta trade like you know what you're doing. Get lucky sometimes. NASDAQ's going. Shorts are getting paid.
He says ambition is time.
The chat is literally, I'm so over the chat. The chat it's fucking like, it's a joke. Everybody in the chat just sitting here. I told you. Okay, we get it, guys. You're not doing anything for anybody, so it's like a joke at this point. So NASDAQ back up there, 20,100 level again. Should have gotten short down there at the 20,080s. Damn it. Trip has been good. Trip in Hawaii has been good. It's hard to complain. Living the dream. I feel like this would be a great place to trap shorts at. If they start squeezing this back up, this would be absolutely just a great place to start doing it. Because all those shorts that got in for this breakthrough here, it would be real easy to squeeze them out. It'd be real easy to squeeze them out here. Be real easy to do that, you know what I mean? Be real easy. Be real fucking easy to get them right out of there. One of the hardest parts about streaming live on YouTube is trying to avoid getting into tilt because of the chat. I swear. It's like a real thing. The chat will literally put me in tilt. Listening to the people in the chat tell me, oh, you should have shorted. Oh, you should have done that. Like, oh, I fuck. Just shut up. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, bro. That's trading. Welcome to trading. You could have got short at the top, but you didn't. You know, oh, you could have bought down here, but you didn't. It's just fucking whoop-de fucking doodah day. If I gotta listen to one more motherfucking idiot in the chat. Oh, Patrick, I told you. I told you. We get it. We got it. I'm only gonna take an A+ setup either way. That's the only thing it's gotta be like fucking A++++ at this point. For me to risk profit, only way I'm doing it is if it looks fucking mint. A+, you know, no B+, no bullshit, no like, oh, maybe it'll go up, maybe it goes down. I'm looking for like, oh my god, this is A+. You know, A+. Only thing I'm looking for here.
Gentlemen in the mix.
The only thing I want, and it ain't gonna be no just do it now, you know? Just do it now, Patrick. ES is getting stuck at that pivot point now, up there at the 80s. Starting to break to the downside here. Got the VWAP down there at the 42s. So see what happens here. I feel like this is the perfect spot. I'm just like, this has got to be the perfect spot to put in a higher low here. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but perfect spot just to fuck with everybody here, end of day, you know? possibly back above that. If we get back above this 110 level, start to squeeze back up here. Kind of watching. Trying to battle there, the 110s. Yo. Yeah. Yeah, I see that. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. 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 That's fine. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I mean, definitely see if they can try to reinforce that as much as possible, and then we can, once they get that kind of glassed in there, have to kind of figure out where to mount the pedestal. Well, I get that. I mean, it could, but we just don't know. We got to figure out. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's just like impossible to really know until like everything's done, you know. We thought about it like 3 or 4 times, but it's like every time it changes because they change shit. But yeah, let's just tell him to fucking try to get it in there as tight as he can, I guess, without fucking having to take everything apart, and then we'll have to just figure out the rocket launcher, you know. But yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, that's fine. Let me call you back in a little bit. I'm right in the middle of the live stream, but that works. Just have him put it as far forward as he can, and we'll just have to figure it out as we go. Alright, peace. Handling stuff with the boat back in Florida right now. NASDAQ looking a little trappy once again. They're just kind of holding up here. I don't know, unless they're gonna just like really trap the bears and the bulls here. I'm still just not convinced that this is like a major short yet. Are you guys like, is everybody else just massively short right now? My boat's got a rocket launcher, baby. Like, I get to see this thing ripping straight back up here now. I get to see it's just ripping, you know, straight back up. Looks like a long Jeff Warner. Trying to get through that 110 level there again. Through the 110s there again, up to the 120s. Big old bull flag here. Look at that. Just a big old bull flag breaking out here. That last 5-minute candle, big wick on the bottom of that last 5-minute candle. Get this thing going. Got the 25s and that pivot point to get through. Ruben just bought the course. He's starting it right now. Let's go, Ruben. Let's go, Ruben. If Ruben can't do it, no one can. Yeah. I don't know, man. This is, everybody was like so bearish in the chat. I think this might be time for the market to go. I think this might be time for the market to go. Looking like a good time to squeeze some bears. Pooh Man entered, purchased the course today. Let's go. Winnie the Pooh over here. Who knew that Winnie the Pooh is also into day trading? All right, so there we are now above the 10s, up there to the 25s. See if the bulls are going to get this end of day squeezy McSqueezer sin going. What do you think? Do I think we're gonna go for all-time highs soon? I try not to think about those kind of things. I just think about making money. NASDAQ's got to kind of get through this trend line here, 25s or so, and then we get above that pivot point end of day, and then above 20,200 end of day squeezy. That looks really primed and ready right there. Randy, are you gonna asking him? I got to put a trade on. You never know. Get this thing going. Just want to see it break out strong, show some strength here. The bulls come back in, you know. No rush. Just waiting for the right opportunities, like always. How many hours of material do you have in your course? I think there's like over 6 hours, and then lots of just... It's not the length that matters. It's the quality, baby. Quality over quantity. I could have put like 1 million hours of videos and it just confused you and talked about random stuff like ICT does all day. But I thought it'd be better for you to focus more on the trading than focus on other insane shit. All right, we got a little less than 22 minutes here till end of day. We got that 350 algorithm coming up. The bulls are trying to hold on. Need to get this thing back above that pivot point before the 350 algo, and then I think we can just go straight to the fucking moon here. Just go straight to the goddamn moon. It's possible. Do not tell me that it's not possible, because I'm telling you it is. Ain't nothing easier than going straight to the moon once you get above that pivot point. What's the course called? Buy low, sell high. Or buy high, sell low. It just depends on how you're looking at the charts, really. Some people like to trade different ways, you know. The bears looking like they're in trouble. This thing wants to go. End of day boner candle coming up. Bend it on over, bears. Daddy's. Well, that gets weird. I want to clear out this pivot point here, the 140s. Show us some strength, get above that pivot point, and then it's off to the races. Get above this pivot point, get a little bull flag going up here. You know, we got that 150, 155 area to get through, and then 250 points to the upside there. I can see the bears in the chat saying, be careful. Uh-oh. You better be careful, bears, because you're about to get bent. You're about to get bent. Big old boner candle here, end of day. Watch it. Put it on the chart. Put it on the chart. This is a bad spot to be sitting at if you're short right now, you know, especially if you shorted down here. You know there's going to be all those stops are going to have their shorts. All those shorts are going to have their stops right up here. So the closer we get to this, the more pain. Anybody that's shorted here, shorted here, shorted here, they don't want the price up here. You know, they don't want that price going through up here. That is not what they want to see. They want to see price action staying below their entries, obviously. Where do you find the pivot point indicator? Well, luckily for you, you can go on TradingView. You can type in pivot points right there. Pivot points standard. It's free for anybody out there. I show you how to use it in my actual course. So if you want to check that out, check it out. This 950 algorithm, I think it's going to get wild. I don't know for sure, but this thing's going to get wild. 950 algorithm. Or sorry, not 950, the 350 algorithm here. Oh, God. The bears, the bulls, the battle is real. If it was below the VWAP, would I look for a short? Yes. Be a different action, you know. If you look at the overall trend on the day, we've only been going up, 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 up. You know, we're still like in this kind of area, right? We bounced off this area multiple times. Like, I'm just not convinced that it's time to get short just yet. You know, I might be, maybe I'm being too biased, but that's just kind of the way I see it. And I'm also green on the day right now, so it's like, you know when you're up on the day, you definitely get a little bit more selective. You know, you're like, hey, I'm up $7,000 on the day. I'm not going to give back any profit unless something looks real good. Because you got to think about it. Like, hey, if I take a trade, there is a chance that I lose. Every trade, there is a chance you lose. That's normal trading, right? But it's like, are you willing? Is the chance good enough? Like, is the risk to reward good enough to enter a trade? Right now, the risk to reward's not good enough for me. So I'm waiting. I think we get up here and when this area, 950 or 350 or so, it could be good. You know? Just trade one contract for shits and giggles. Are you gonna, if I lose, are you gonna pay me? I want to get that payout. I'm getting that payout, you know? I don't want to give back no profits. Even in one account. Why? It's silly. NASDAQ still holding up here. Again, bouncing off that 20,100 area. That 20,010 area has been a key level here as well. That was resistance earlier. Now it's turning into support. You know what that means? You know what that means? Do you know what that means? Tell me if you know what that means. Tell me if you know what that means. Do you see what I see? It's like ICT. ICT is like, do you look at the chart? Tell me what you see. Hey, everybody. Look at the chart. Tell me what you see. Tell me what you see on the chart. ICT! Oh, man. People think I'm obsessed with ICT, but hey, I can't help it that I think about them every minute of every day. Okay? I can't help it. I think about my competition like that. Hey. Nothing gets me more excited in the morning than waking up knowing that I'm going to be better than ICT today. And then tomorrow. And the day after that. And the day after that. You know? It's working, guys. It's working. It's going up. All right, here we go. The algorithm's about to kick in. $20 seconds. Oh! The algorithm is kicked in. The bears bent over the bulls. Oh, fuck. Welcome to the 350 algorithm. God damn it. Oh, hey, no limit trader. This is how I'm going to help you out. I'm going to put you in the VIP so that way you can help more people in the VIP room. We want everyone to succeed together, you know, as a team. So don't worry. I got you. I got the VIP room warmed up for you, baby. It's ready to go. You move on in there to the VIP room and we'll be waiting for you out here. Once you come out of there. We're here for you to support, you know? We're here for you, baby. I'm always here for you. NASDAQ down here at the lows, holding on for now. Will she take out the 80s? There's a pivot point all the way to the downside. We got that VWAP down there. Still just kind of holding on for now. The bears, the bulls. 80s. The 80s are in trouble. Got the VWAP down there. VWAP at the 46s. James, thanks to you, I just blew my account. I should have listened to ICT. You should have. I don't know why you listened to me. That was silly. I don't know what I'm doing. NASDAQ still just holding up down there. Just holding up down there. Got the 9:55 algorithm coming up here in 10 seconds. I mean, I wasn't doing it. I said don't do anything until we get above this pivot point, but hey, whatever, I guess. You don't speak English. Wait for the pivot point to break. But I guess I was, I misled you. NASDAQ dipping. Power hour, man. The last few days. It's like, it's just always in rotation, right? You get those days where the morning is shitty, and then you get the days where the power hour is shitty, and it just kind of rotates, and it fucks with your head because you're like, all right, I'm going to wait till power hour to trade, and then you get to power hour, and you're like, fuck, it's not moving. It's fucked. Just stuck there at the 70s again. NASDAQ just stuck down here at the lows right now. Power hour, uneventful. Choppy McChopperson. Holding up there at the 70s for now, but going nowhere quickly. I do agree that they'll probably buy this up overnight, and they'll probably gap up again tomorrow, especially on Friday there. We'll see. Tomorrow morning, we'll be live right here for Fresh Cash Friday. That's right. Tomorrow, the biggest day of the week. Getting paid on the Friday. Tune in live right here, right now. NASDAQ holding up here at the 70s. We got less than 2 minutes till the close, so it's over. Another day, another dollar. Walking away in the green. Was looking for a good setup here end of day. Just did not get the good setup, so I'm going to protect my profits. Keep on working towards that payout, and we'll be back tomorrow to do it all over again, unfortunately. Well, not unfortunately, but we'll be back tomorrow either way, so... That's the bell. We got less than a minute till the bell here. Less than a minute to the bell. And still just kind of closing it up right there below that 20,100 area. New video of my Lamborghini on the internet. Let's see it. Looks so sick. I don't know why, but Lambos look so cool when they don't have a bumper, like a rear bumper, and they just like show all the engine and stuff. It's like, you're like, damn, that thing looks sick, especially with the engine and everything back there with the twin turbos. So check out my Instagram if you want to check out the twin turbo build we got going on right now. All right, there it is. Market is closed. And sorry, got lost on my computer. But if you guys enjoyed the stream, hit that like button, subscribe button. We'll be back tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Friday. And looking forward to making some more money with you guys, doing it live right here on the channel. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. I will see you tomorrow morning. Peace to the Middle East. Later. See you later.